In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the price of your products on Wix Studio's product page editor to give your customers a unique browsing experience. This might be useful if you're looking to provide a more personalized journey for your potential buyers, or if you're setting up a website for an event where you'd like the details to remain a mystery until a later stage. Let's get started by opening Wix Studio. If you're already signed into your Wix account, navigate over to your product page editor. This is where you'll be making the changes that will ultimately affect how the products are displayed on your site. Once you're in the product page editor, the next step is to select the product or product list element. It might appear as a single item or a grid of products depending on how you've arranged your store. Simply click on the element to ensure you're making adjustments to the correct items. With your product element selected, it's time to dive into the settings. You can usually find the settings option by looking for a small gear icon. This is a universal symbol for settings across most platforms, making it easy to locate. Once you're in the settings menu, scan for the price display options. It will probably be labeled clearly as it's a common feature many users seek to customize. Within these options, you should see a toggle labeled Hide Price. Flick this switch to the active setting. By doing this, you're instructing Wix to remove the price visibility from your product listings, leaving room for potential customers to inquire further or focus on other elements like the product descriptions or visual aesthetics. It's important to save your changes to ensure that everything you've done up to this point is locked in. Look for the Save icon, which usually appears as a floppy disk or simply a button labeled Save. Clicking this will safeguard your new settings and apply them to your live site when you're ready. Finally, take a moment to preview your product page. This is a crucial step that allows you to experience the changes from a visitor's perspective, ensuring that everything looks just right and all the intended adjustments have been successfully implemented. In preview mode, you should observe that the prices are hidden from view, giving the product page a cleaner and more exclusive appearance. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden the prices on your Wix product page, allowing for a tailored and engaging shopping experience for your site's visitors. Feel free to experiment with other settings to further customize your store. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore more of our tutorials to continue improving your online presence.